Hey guys, we're going to talk about appliances in your house now, and there's two different ways to go about it, right? I said if we're flipping the house or if we're going to stay in the house. Obviously, you're not going to come if you're about to get rid of the house and you just want to have newer matching appliances. One of these brands I really love that Home Depot and a few other places carry is this Samsung Bespoke brand. This is definitely the appliance that you buy when you know you're staying in the house for a while. It's really amazing. I've actually had one of these fridges, and you can get them in all different colors, different designs. They have a 4-door, a 4-door French door, 3-door French door, all these different options between water pitchers, ice makers, all these different things. And it's just a phenomenal refrigerator that you can get in different colors, and they match all these different brands. They make bespoke in every different type of appliance. Really recommend this for quality, ingenuity, style, everything. Great